another little episode of Mr Das P1's Gold Rush. If you're new to gold prospecting and you want to learn how to pan, I'll show you the methods that I've used. There's loads of videos out there, by all means feel free to watch them all. But this is my way of panning with confidence, and if you're new, you don't know quite what to expect. And when you're panning at the side of the river, you're thinking, oh my god, I'm going to lose everything. You'll be surprised how heavy the gold is and how quickly it settles to the bottom. Even if it's the smallest micro dot of gold, it's heavy and it will sink to the bottom. So what you need, a classifier. This one's about 10mm screen. And you need some dirt. I've got some dirt here just from lying around, bits of soil, bits of hardcore and rubble. And just for the purpose of this little demonstration, that's a small lead weight. It weighs 10.7 grams. It's quite heavy, you can feel the weight in that. If you ever find something that heavy and it's golden colour in your pan, you've hit the jackpot. So, first things first, I'm going to get my classifier over my pan. I'm going to get my dirt, get all the dirt in there and classify it out. Another little tip, get some water, wash it down with water, because there could be, when you're at the river, small dots of gold sticking to the rocks. So what you're left with are all the big pieces that do not want to go through that screen. That helps you with your panning. Then we have a pan of dirty sludgy material already classified down to that grade. I've also got a small pan here with some gold. So I'll take that small piece of gold there and I put it with my lead weight. I've also got a very small piece of shot there, a super small piece of shot. I'll put that in. So what we've got is three heavy pieces of material. Got a lead weight, small piece of gold and a piece of shot. And I'm going to add that one, that piece and that piece into there. The first thing I would always do, get my fingers in there and start to work anything that's heavy to the bottom. And then I'm going to angle the pan from the side. It's that angle, and what you want is where the bottom of the pan is, you want that to be the lowest point. That corner there is your lowest point, so anything heavy is going to work its way down through all of that. Do this for about 20 seconds. What you're doing here, you're letting all the lighter materials come through to the top and the heavier materials are sinking down, and the heavier gold particles are going to work their way to the bottom of the pan. They call this stratification. Okay, I'm happy with that now. Let it settle and just start to work a few layers off. Start over again. You could tap the pan, some people might want to tap the pan. Allow the shock waves to let things move. Again, you can use your hands, pick out some of these pieces you don't want. There's that lead weight still there. So now we're getting to the point where if you wanted to, you could slowly backpan and see what is in there. I can still see that piece of gold is there. There's the nice chunk of lead, and there's the shot. You could start to pick out some more pieces. Let things settle and allow these riffles on the pan to keep the heavies trapped. Okay, we're at a point now where I could, obviously we know that's there, that's going nowhere. There's enough material in there now just to give the pan a tap. That sends a shockwave this way. All the heavies start to dance up. And then just lightly wash the materials back. So there you can see a piece of gold and that piece of shot. Well, I hope that video there, it's a quick little video, it gives you an idea of how easy it is to pan. Yeah, some people might say, all I can say is just practice with a bit of lead, get some sand, some grit sand, and practice with something small and heavy. And if it's always in there, when you go to the river for the first time, you'll have the confidence to know that you can find gold. Now, what I'll do for you, because if somebody wants to accuse you of being a shit panner, let's get it all in there. Get all that rubbish back in there. And we're going to do a very fast, aggressive pan. And let's just see if that gold stays in the bottom. One more little thing. You can buy green pans, black pans, blue pans, it all depends on your preference. I like looking at the gold in a black pan on a sunny day, it looks super, but the green pan does help when you're looking for your black sands as well. And for this little test now, we're not going to put that weight in, it's too big, it's ugly. Right, let's go and do, I don't want to call it a speed pan, it's not a speed pan. But we're going to pan this aggressively and quickly, and I want to see if that gold will stay in there. Okay, I'm going to quickly work things out. There you have it. That's how heavy the gold is. I hope you found that video useful. I'm based in the UK and I'm still learning this fine art of gold prospecting. It's a fantastic hobby and I hope that this video has given you an insight as to how to pan for gold. Thank you for watching. Today I thought I'd show you people out there a nice simple way of how to learn to pan. Hello and welcome to another little episode of Mr. Das P1's Gold Rush. And today I want to teach some of you, and today I want to show some and today I want to show some of you I can't even say